Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this creamy chicken Alfredo. This recipe was super easy to make and super delicious. To start off, all you need is thinly sliced chicken breast, and we'll season both sides of it with seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and paprika. I will be leaving the exact measurements down below in the description, so don't worry guys. To start off our sauce, you'll need about 2 tablespoons of butter and about a tablespoon of oil. Once that heats up, you can place your chicken in the pan and cook it for about 45 minutes. Once it's been about 5 minutes, you want to flip the chicken so we can cook the other side also. Don't forget to have your water boiling for the pasta while the chicken and the sauce are cooking. Make sure to put a lid on the chicken so that way the inside is fully cooked and we don't have any raw pieces inside. But other than that, yeah, look at this chicken. It was so juicy and so tender. It was just good. In the same pan, you'll add about a tablespoon of butter. And then you want to saute it for a couple of seconds till the garlic is fragrant. Next, you want to add about 2 cups of heavy cream. And my light just died. But afterwards, add in a little more of seasoned salt. And then the same seasons you used for the chicken. Again, I will be listing the full recipe down below with the exact measurements. Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Once the sauce comes to a simmer, add in grated Parmesan cheese and give that a good mix. As you can see, the sauce is getting a little thicker, but it's not the consistency we want yet. So to get that creamy consistency, you'll add in about a handful of mozzarella cheese. I accidentally bought part skim mozzarella cheese. That's not what I wanted. Get the regular kind. It still tasted good, but that's not what I wanted. Now is when you taste your sauce and see if it needs anything. I added a little bit of seasoned salt, but other than that, it was good. Next, you'll add in your cooked fettuccine pasta. You can use any type of pasta, but I just felt like this was the classic. You'll want to give this a good mix, like fully incorporate the pasta and the sauce together. I used 1 whole package of fettuccine pasta, and it was enough for this recipe. Of course, you can always divide it in half, or you can double it, or however much you're making. Once you give that a good mix, you can add in extra mozzarella cheese. This part is optional. Again, please get the regular mozzarella cheese. This cheese was like clumps. It looked like rice, and I really didn't like it. It didn't really melt like how regular mozzarella cheese does, but it was still good regardless. But just get the regular kind. Next, I just plated the pasta, and I did cut up some fresh parsley and garnished it with a little more of the Parmesan cheese. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and try this recipe. Please subscribe and give this video a like. And let me know what you guys think.